Have you ever said, let's sell it all and buy a boat, and let's go sail around the world? Well, Caitlin and I had this dream, well, mostly me, but today, reality set in.
Find out what I am, and I've been taking all the time I need to get back to me. And missing all the ways that you and I used to be. Now I'm putting the fire to the floor. 'Cause I've been busy, I've been chasing waterfalls. I stopped believing in some kind of miracle. And I've been staring at the sun for too damn long. But when I opened up the door, it led me back to you. Holding the past in my hands. Holding the past in my hands.
Are we a sailing channel?
I don't believe so. Unless part of each episode is me throwing up off the back of the ship, I don't think we're a sailing show. A little rough today.
I'm not sure we're a sailing YouTube show. Unfortunately, Caitlin is feeling a little queasy. I went down below deck. Okay, unless I'm on the show below deck, I don't think I'm going to be living on a sailing catamaran. It would, but also the ocean was incredibly windy and choppy, and it was definitely uncomfortable. All right, let's go see the shark. You gotta speak up.
I said, look out, there's crocodiles.
Oh, you gotta look out for the crocodiles. Yeah.
I see one right up ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, go slow. But we need to be careful.
Apparently we're at Isla Mujeres Island, I think. All right, we're gonna go take a look at some sharks. Yeah? All right, let's go look at some sharks. Run through the whole deck. Come on. Jump in. Let's go. Oh no. He's eating me. Ah! Come on. It is just dead. Oh. Yeah, you sure can, huh? All right. Let's see you get eaten by the shark. Donna, 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 Donna. Oh no! He's just gonna eat it! Ah! Oh, he's gonna help you! I'll save you! Ah! Oh! Oh! Come on! Jump in the water! Ooh, look at all the fish. Huh? He needs a toothbrush, yeah? Oh, let's see all the fish. Look at them all. Ready?
You sure need a toothbrush?
Yeah. All right, come on.
I got it.
Are you brushing his teeth?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay, that's nice of you. All right, let's go back and see Mom.
Oh no. Come here.
You broke a tooth.
He didn't. Shark didn't.
Oh yeah?
And he was eating a fish, a big swordfish.
Yeah.
They were fighting. And
Oh,
it
man.
broke a tooth.
He broke a tooth, huh? Alright, let's go. Let's run.
I want to Oh no, this one has a hole. Wow.
Man.
Then look. One thing of
Alright, let's go. You gotta wave at these people. Mexico is a beautiful place. Beautiful place. Huh? The fish? Is that what you want to do? Hello?
Chase my dad.
He would lose his mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just crazy. Like, there we go. Good shot. No, thank you. It's absolutely remarkable. Just the cultural difference. Like, you go to a restaurant and you know, you're supposed to get a certain amount of change back and you just don't, and it's, you know, oh, no English. It's like, all right, like, no big deal. I was gonna give you the whole tip, but you cheated me anyways, and it's just kind of frustrating. It makes the country look bad when only, you know, there's only really one bad seed out there. I do feel like I'm in the Bahamas too.
What?
No, thank you. What? I feel like I'm in the Bahamas again.
Oh, yeah.
Except everyone drives on the right-hand side.
Whenever I visit a foreign country, I just appreciate the cleanliness about the streets. And Caitlin and I just absolutely love venturing out, taking a walk down the boardwalk, and kind of getting a feel of the city or the destination that we're at. And we really felt like it was kind of like the Bahamas. It was absolutely beautiful. It was relatively clean. And most importantly, we felt incredibly safe. I mean, as you can see, we've got our 4-year-old son Chase with us. And at no point in time we felt ever uncomfortable walking around. It just felt, you know, almost safer than home. And the people were absolutely just some of the friendliest people we've ever met. They were out there, you know, working hard, trying to make a living, but no one ever tried to pressure us too hard.
Me neither, buddy. Me neither. Watch out, there's a big wave coming. Big wave coming. What? Let's go. really? Take a picture?
No, thank you. Oh my gosh. Apparently this is just a thing, seeing snakes and iguanas in Mexico. What did you think about the island? Was it good? What was your favorite part? Beach?
It is.
How about the shark?
It doesn't give you any problems or
You like the shark?
If you can replace the
I'm counting down the minutes till it's Tuesday. Another day back on my feet. I'm fighting every minute till the weekend, so I can live it up and do it all again and again. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive.
Okay, what did you think? What was your favorite part?
Sailing was fun. The way back was a lot better. I think that the whole experience was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, snorkeling was fun. It just kind of made me sick.
Yeah. But did it have anything to do with being hungover? That's the real question.
Very, very possible. Very possible.
So I will say, like, I think my favorite part about today's adventure was the adventure itself. Getting a little seasick, experiencing what an actual catamaran looks like and feels like and sails like, and then just the destination. The destination was so unique and so cool and so very touristy, and ultimately defines what I actually don't want in a vacation. I'd rather like to live like the normal, I like to live like the locals rather than live like the tourists. Instead of consuming, maybe producing. I don't know if that makes any sense, but what yeah, in closing, we're carb loading for tonight's buffet. So we were starving. How's your moon pie?
It's called a marshmallow syrup.
Oh, marshmallow syrup.
See how it got a big black marshmallow?
Oh yeah. It's pretty good.
A marshmallow syrup.
Very cool.
He likes this place.
Yeah?
Let him eat
What is he eating?
coconut.
What is he eating?
Coconut.
Oh.
He found it from here. Opie eats another bite of his more food. Oh, again. Do these critters love ants? Or
I
no?
think so.
Well, he has to eat one and try it out.